Hi guys, my name is Life and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to be making amla oil. So guys, I'm on a hair growth journey and I heard that amla oil is a great Ayurvedic treatment to help your hair grow. I talk a little about amla powder in my pre-poo video, so go check that out, but let's go ahead and get right into it. Amla oil is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which might contribute to cellular regeneration and promote healthy circulation to the blood vessels in the scalp. These properties may help to facilitate hair and skin growth and boost the overall health of the scalp. So that's why I chose to make some amla oil. So here I'm just boiling some water because I'm going to make the amla oil using the double boiler method. And that's basically when you have a pot of boiling water and you have what you're heating on top, like so. So this is what the oil looks like after it's had a little bit time to settle. As you can see, that's the oil and that's the amla powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and strain the oil and put it in a container. In order to strain it, I'm going to use this cheesecloth to strain the oil. And I got this off of Amazon and it was really cheap. So here's the oil. It looks like I might have to strain it again because you can see all the sediment at the bottom there. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain it a second time. So this is what it looks like after I strained it a second time. So now I'm just gonna transfer it into a different container. So this is the container I'll be using. Honestly, I got it from the dollar store. I do believe in saving money, so I got this from the dollar store. I'm just gonna pour the oil in this container. I didn't film it because it got a little messy, but here's the oil in the container. And yeah, so that's how you make amla oil. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And I will show you how I use this and if it's growing my hair. Thank you.